Okay, ji, assalamu alaikum friends. How are you? Today you can see on your screen or your computer screen a simple helical turbine type object in SolidWorks. Today we'll make a simple SolidWorks tutorial how to create these helix flanges at the outer side. Let's suppose we say that this is a simple turbine type any object. Okay, so you can see here this is very beautiful tutorial. Okay, let's start to create this from new file. Open a new file of SolidWorks. Here part, go to part option of SolidWorks. We are using SolidWorks to making this object. Let's start. Okay, start from top plane. Select top plane and go to sketch. Okay, select circle, draw a circle from center point at here and go to dimension, give it dimension, how much it should be good. Let's go, we'll keep it 150 mm dimension. Now go to features and extrude boss base command. Use extrude boss base here and give it dimension 5 mm here. Okay, here the bottom part of the object is created, you can see. Now select this upper part and go to sketch, upper surface, not part. Go to y-axis. Okay, go again here circle and select a circle from center point to here. Give it dimension. Let's suppose we kept it dimension 20 mm here. Okay, go to features and extrude boss base command again. Go z-axis and here how much? 100 mm, not 1000. 100. Okay, done. This is simple created, and now at the last we'll select front plane here and go to sketch. In front plane select line and go to this center. From the center point simply just enough, and here link this corner and link this center bottom point and link last point. Okay, I think this is easy, very easy. Everyone knows about these simple commands, how we use this. Okay, here done. Now extrude. Select this, extrude, go to extrude command and give it 2 mm and select here blind to mid plane. Okay, mid plane, why we use mid plane. You can see here this is our plane. Okay, now you can see this extrude is going to mid, half at this side and half this side. So why we use mid plane. Okay, exit simple. Okay, now here last from here we used fillet. There we use fillet. We use fillet. Add this here 10 mm. Okay, 10 mm. This fillet you can see here. We use fillet here. At last we use la pattern. What's pattern? Going to a linear pattern, circular pattern. We use circular pattern. Okay, circular pattern. Here select this and fillet selected, also this selected. These two are selected. Okay, here you can see. Here center, select the center where you want. Okay, select this bottom circle line. Okay, you can see the circle pattern is created of this flange. Okay, here kept it 20. Okay, 20 or 25. 22. Not yours, not mine. 22. You can see this simple object is created. Now at the last we use one last command. Maybe it will it's new for you. Go to insert, go to features, go to flex. Today you learn how to use flex command in Solidworks to make this flange helix. So select this flex command and use select this. You can see here the plane, trim plane 2. Okay, you can see here trim plane 2 name of this plane. This is selected at the top of this object, and one plane 1, trim plane 1 is selected at the bottom of this object, top and bottom. Okay, here simply twist. Not we going to bending, we are going to twist these flanges. So select twist. Here go give it angle 100 degree. Okay, 100 degree twisted here. Okay, waiting some time to applying the command. It will take when you are doing some heavy commands we used on computer, when computer said to you that this command, this takes some few minutes, don't turn off your computer. So don't be okay. Here you can see your flange helix created. It's very looking beautiful. Okay, last here we used some appearance material, aluminium. Let's go select this one. Okay, this was simple tutorial of flange object, you can say turbine object, or any, you can give it any name. Just I want to said how to use flex command. I want to tell you about the flex command, how you can use flex command in SolidWorks. Today we learn SolidWorks flex command. Friends, thanks to be here and thanks for watching. Please, if you're not still subscribe this channel, so subscribe. And if you have any question, so comment in comment section. I'll give answer of each of your comment. Thanks and Allah Hafiz.